Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Happy Mind Speaking. In my today's video, I'm going to share 3 easy dips recipes. These are very easy to make and these goes really well with any of your chips, snacks and vegetables. Today our first recipe is guacamole or avocado dip. To start with, I'm cutting this avocado into half and scooping this with the help of spoon. I'm now cutting the avocados into smaller chunks. If you want, you can mash using spoon or spatula. Amount of dip we are making is going to be 1 small bowl, so add avocados as many as you like based on the quantity you like to make. Next important and flavorful thing we are going to add in this dip is finely chopped onion. Onion gives crunchiness to this dip. Mix this finely chopped onion into avocado mixture. Take 1 fully ripened tomato, cut into smaller pieces and add this to avocado mixture. Here comes the important ingredients of this guacamole or avocado dip is this lemon. Squeeze half of the lemon into this avocado mixture. Lastly, add salt as per your taste. Give a good mix. Your avocado dip is ready to serve with chips or any vegetables. Avocado dip is ready within 5 minutes. Isn't it amazing? Let me know in the comment box below. Second recipe is easiest of all and one of my favorite. This is a yogurt dip. All you need is Greek style yogurt around 4 to 5 spoons, and next you need cucumber cut into small pieces. Also use finely chopped less than half an onion. Next for flavoring we are going to add 2 mint leaves and some coriander leaves. Either chop them into smaller pieces or grind them coarsely if you are making in a batch. Next we are going to add all these ingredients to this yogurt mixture. Give a good mix and add salt according to your taste. Finally add some chili flakes to make this spicy. Make similar dip by using mayonnaise or cream cheese. Enjoy this spicy minty flavored yogurt dip with your favorite chips. Next and last recipe of this video is hummus or chickpea dip. Take half bowl completely boiled chole or chickpea, add it into a food processor. Let's add sesame seeds or tahini paste. If you have the tahini paste, it will give you creamy texture, otherwise it will be a coarse texture. I'm going to add 2 spoons of sesame seeds. Add some half clove of garlic and some ground cumin powder. Add half spoon of salt for taste and squeeze half lemon. Finally, close the food processor and make a thick paste. I use Nutri-Ninja food processor for all my daily needs. I also made a video on review of this Nutri-Ninja all-in-one food processor. If you haven't watched, I will leave a link in the below description box. Our simple hummus or chickpea dip is ready. You can make a smooth paste using 1 to 2 spoons of oil or water while grinding this. Our chickpea dip is ready to serve with favorite vegetables like cucumber, carrot or capsicum. So that's all for today friends. Thank you very much for watching my videos. For more such food, travel and life in UK videos, please subscribe to my channel.